Hello, and welcome to the Wescott Educational Series on Financial Planning. Focus on your financial planning. This is a multi-part episode that we're providing to our clients and others who are interested in the importance of financial planning in our process. Our clients know about our rigor and discipline and strategy in financial planning, and we thought we'd share some information about that and help us all become a little bit more learned and focused on our discipline. In our agenda today, I will be in a Q&A session with Susan Green, our Director of Financial Planning. We'll be focusing on Wescott's core financial planning mission, and we'll be talking about the interplay of Wescott's resources that are devoted to ensure the strategy and discipline of financial planning and our process of the PerfectScore and myWescottVault. I'd like to introduce to you our Director of Financial Planning Standards, Susan Green. Susan Green is a Senior Financial Advisor and Director of our Financial Planning Standards. She joined Wescott in 2013. Notable in her background is her background as an attorney, as well as a CFP. She's involved in a number of professional associations in the financial planning world, including focus on financial planning standards for the industry and profession as a whole. So I'd like to introduce to you Susan Green. Susan, welcome.
Thanks, Grant.
My pleasure. Thanks for being part of this process and in fact in leading us here. So a little bit, if we could, Susan, could you get us started by providing some background on aspects of financial planning, the philosophies, myths, realities, and so forth?
Absolutely. So when many people hear the term financial planning, they automatically think of investments and maybe managing cash flow and retirement goals. But financial planning is so much more than that. It encompasses estate planning, tax management, and review of various insurances. All of these areas dovetail with each other and are important in making sure that you're working hard toward your financial goals. If something even remotely touches your finances, we're here to analyze and offer advice about it. And PerfectScore is Wescott's customized solution to ensure that all of these aspects of our clients' financial lives are reviewed and analyzed on a regular basis.
Susan, many years ago, you and I partnered to develop a PerfectScore solution. Why don't you tell us a little bit more about the tool, maybe how we came up with the name, but most importantly, what it does for us in the process?
Sure. So practically speaking, PerfectScore is a roadmap that guides us through each area of financial planning to make sure that we proactively gather all of the appropriate information to make the best recommendations for you. This includes reviewing your net worth statement, cash flow and retirement goals, asset allocation and investments, tax management, estate planning, and insurance management. For many of our clients, this also includes analyzing executive compensation agreements and stock options, as well as reviewing partnership agreements and business plans. Your Wescott advisor will typically update your PerfectScore at least once a year or more often if warranted. Your advisor uses PerfectScore to drive the financial planning conversation and show you which areas of your financial planning picture have been recently reviewed and adjusted, and then which areas we're going to look at next to make recommendations on. We're always re-envisioning PerfectScore in order to make sure it continues to best serve all of our clients. And to make it even easier for you to access, we've more recently created an entirely separate folder in your myWescottVault called PerfectScore. So now you can easily access all of your previous and current PerfectScores in one convenient location. I'll hand it over to you, Grant.
Terrific. Thanks, Susan, very much. And in addition to being able to access PerfectScore, you should be able to access it particularly after you've reviewed it with your advisor. Essential part of this process and discipline is to review with our clients during their update meetings the PerfectScore. We're always striving to be as close to perfect as we can with respect to our clients' affairs. And so that's what drove us to come up with PerfectScore. And Susan has been an outstanding steward for us in the process to focus on making sure we're providing all of the variety of insights to our clients as Susan recommended. With that, I would say thank you very much. This is deliberately a very short snippet in what will be a series of several foci on your financial planning. It includes the net worth statements, estate planning, cash flow, tax planning, investment planning series, as well as Susan mentioned those regarding business planning, executive compensation, family office services, and a number of areas in which we have terrific services for our clients. To learn more, please never hesitate to visit us at Wescott.com. And even more importantly, please don't hesitate to reach out to your Wescott advisor. We're always very happy to speak with you. So I hope that this was helpful, and we look forward to Susan being a great steward for us as we move forward in exploring a lot of other areas of components of our financial planning. Thanks very much.